Today, I'm going to show you how to get to the lava map without even having to do anything. But you're going to need some stuff. Probably already have it because everybody's pretty rich in this game. So, first thing you need is a crossbow. And the second thing you need is that. Well, I don't know why I just automatically. You need a teleportation bow. And I forgot something else. You also need any type of pickaxe. It doesn't matter. It only depends if you want to. If you want to go mine or just go there for fun. Oh, I forgot a flashlight. Also, you need any type of flashlight. And this will take a couple tries. So, dang, I already have a flashlight. Frick. This will take a couple tries, so let's get right into it. So, first thing you need to do is throw right here. You could do it anywhere, but I prefer right here, so it's faster. I don't know about these areas. They probably work. Since there's that little crack, just shoot up there, quickly reload. Shoot it again. Alright, once you can shoot over here if you want. I don't usually do that. I actually did that on accident. This will take you a couple tries. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to go down because I can't get my hands up because of the barrier. So I'm gonna speed this process up. I quickly shot out. Fool. Oh, I can still get it. Chaw. All right. Let's get it. Over here. Oh my god, I got that part. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Okay, I did not clip that part, but obviously you can hear the noise. Where am I? You can hear the noise. Yeah, I'm gonna act like nothing just happened. Yeah, I'm losing everything. I guess shoot out the map. Well, I'm just gonna go in here. Ooh, hit your Oculus button? I guess that worked. So hold your Oculus button for this part. I don't know what just happened. That's not what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to teleport you all the way down there. But I think this will work. So, well, I guess thank you for watching.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!